Hi friends, welcome to the Zach Educational Crash Course ZECC 101. We've been learning about the English grammar in our educational crash course, but today we are not going to learn any kind of the topic regarding English language because you already know that there was a tornado in two of the major cities or states of the United States. One of the biggest tornado that hit to the one of the state of the America. I'm going to show you it's a video that how it has annihilated or destroyed the people from destroyed the people into ashes. So let's see that who has recorded video. I'm going to tell you one of my friend living there. One of my friend, he is living in the United States of America. He has recorded a short video for me, and I'm very thankful to that person that he has recorded a video for me about the tornado and about its aftermath. That what are the remains of the after the tornado hit to the United States. Let's see what is he saying about the tornadoes and what is he showing us about the tornado. So let's get it started. Zach English Crash Course. So the students, my friend is going to show us the aftermath of the tornado, that how does it hit to the city, and what are the aftermaths and results, and what type of the destructions happened there. So he is going to show us, and let's see what does he show us there. So here we go.
Okay, so what we are looking at here is extreme destruction that was caused by a tornado that struck this area of Florida. You can see all the damage. All these homes that have X's on them are absolutely unlivable, and people pretty much lost everything that they own. But the storm did not destroy directly due to the roofs being torn off. There would have been extreme water damage, and now mold is very likely to enter into the houses. So all these houses will need to be probably demolished, rebuilt, or just stripped down to the bare walls, the cement walls, and then completely redone. Absolute tragedy for the people living here. The tornado came right through here and already ripped up this entire neighborhood. Devastation. This house may still be potentially livable. It looks like it just took off part of the roof, but they've got it pretty well carved over. The X's mean that people are not allowed to get back to their homes until the city and the county can come in and get it an okay, because these properties are considered unsafe and uninhabitable.
So the friends, along with the English language, we are going to learn that why the tornadoes hit, why do they come, what are the tornadoes, what are their causes, and how to evacuate ourselves from the tornadoes. They are so dangerous. Look, this is the tornado. How dangerous it is, how fearful it is. When somebody sees it with naked eyes, he is fearful, he is dreadful that I'm gonna die soon because of the tornadoes. After all, we are gonna learn about. That's great that you have done great job. So be silent in the class. That why does a tornado hit to the cities, and what are the earthquakes, what are the fury of the nature, what are the earthquakes, what are the tornadoes, what are the storms, what are other natural disasters. All the natural disasters that is related to the scientific knowledge. We are going to learn about the science knowledge in this video. What we are going to learn? Science knowledge. Yes, you're right. We are going to learn the science knowledge in this video, in this lecture. And today we are going to start it, that what is the science, how does it work, what are its impact upon our globe, upon our earth. Look, this is our earth. On this earth there is only climate that is called the climate change over the earth, that has deteriorated or destroyed, or it has done something disastrous to the humanity because of the human actions, because of the carbon emissions, because of the deforestation, our earth is in danger. So we are going to learn about the science that why does it happen. So let's switch over to our topic and what we are going to do in this topic. So the friends, हम साइंस के साथ हम इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के साथ साथ हम ये भी पढ़ेंगे कि हमारा जो नेक्स्ट एजुकेशनल क्रैश कोर्स है वो कौन सा है, वो है साइंस के बारे में। आइए देखते हैं कि साइंस के अंदर कौन सी चीज़ें हैं, हमें उनको समझने की ज़रूरत है। तूफ़ान क्यों आते हैं, ज़लज़ले क्यों आते हैं, टॉर्नेडोज़ क्यों आते हैं, और समंदरी लहरें हमारी रिहाइश गाहों में कैसे दाखिल हो जाती हैं, और समंदर के अंदर जो डिज़ास्टर, यस कम इनसाइड, यू आर लेट, सो टेक योर सीट एंड डोंट मेक नॉइज, और वो हमारी ज़मीन को कैसे असरअंदाज कर रहे हैं। इसी के साथ साथ हम ये भी पढ़ेंगे कि नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर, फ्यूरी ऑफ नेचर क्या है, डिफॉरेस्ट्रेशन, क्योंकि डिफॉरेस्ट्रेशन का हमारी ज़मीन पर कौन सा असर पड़ रहा है, और कार्बन एमिशन की वजह से हमारी जो धरती है, हमारी जो ज़मीन है, वो कैसे सफ़र कर रही है, पोलर बियर्स कहाँ जा रहे हैं, नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल कैसे डिस्टर्ब हो रहे हैं, हमारा क्लाइमेट चेंज जो है वो कैसे तब्दील हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस carbon emission and the climate change and the deforestation. The atmosphere of earth has been totally changed, destroyed. क्लाइमेट चेंज की वजह से बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़मीन को नुकसान पहुंच रहा है, और इसी क्लाइमेट चेंज ने हमारी ज़मीन के ऊपर बहुत सी तबाहकारियां मचाई हुई हैं। किसके वजह से? इंसान की वजह से, क्योंकि इंसान ने यहाँ पर डिफॉरेस्टेशन स्टार्ट किया, दरख्त काटे, फैक्ट्रीज बनाई, कार्बन एमिशन इमेंस जो है बहुत बड़ी तादाद में उसने कार्बन को एमिशन किया। इसे रोकना होगा। इसके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे कि अचानक मौसम तब्दील कैसे हो रहे हैं, इन मौसम की तब्दीलियों की वजह से हमारे धरती पर कौन से असरात हो रहे हैं, हमारी ज़मीन कैसे तब्दील हो रही है, उसके अंदर मौसमी हालात कैसे तब्दील हो रहे हैं, उसके अंदर ख़तरात क्यों बढ़ रहे हैं, ये सारा कुछ हम इस टॉपिक के अंदर पढ़ेंगे। See you after a short break in the next lectures of our daily topics regarding the science. Take care.